In this video, I'm going to show you how to memorize the notes on the guitar fretboard in minutes. Alright, let's get started. Okay, easy way to memorize the notes on the fretboard. Low 6th string or low E string, A string or 5th string, D string or 4th string, G string or 3rd string, B string or 2nd string, and 1st string or high E string. It's on the frets. I'm just going to show you the natural notes first to make it simple for you. To make it nice and simple for you. The second step is to count down from that fret. Down 2 frets, down 2 strings, 1, 2, and up 2 frets from there. 1, 2. Third step, say the notes out loud. Say the notes and the frets out loud. 1st fret, F note. 3rd fret, G note. 5th fret, A note. 7th fret, B note. 8th fret, C note. 10th fret, D note. And 12th fret, E note. Now you know the notes on the E string, which you'll very easily be able to know the notes on the D string. So what you gotta do is go up 2 frets from there. F is on the 3rd on the D, G is on the 5th on the D, A is on the 5th, A is on the 7th of the D, B is on the 7th, so that means B would be on the 9th on the D string. C is on the 8th of the E string. That means on the 10th fret will be the C note on the D string. 10th fret D, 12th fret on the D. 12th fret, 14th fret on the D will be an E string. So now you learned F, G, A, B, C, E, E, and then the 11th fret and the 13th fret is where the F is on the low E and D string. So on the A string you have 2nd fret B, 3rd fret C, 5th fret D, 7th fret E, 8th fret F, 10th fret G, 12th fret A, and 14th fret B. Do the same thing you did on the E string. And on the 2nd fret, go down 2 strings, 1, 2, and up 2 frets. So if 2 is the B note on the A, just add 2, be the 4th fret on the G. 3, C, then 5 will be the C on the G string. 7 plus 2, 5 plus 2 will be the 7th fret on that G, be the D string, D note. 7 plus 2 be the 9th fret, and that'll be the E note. F note on the 8th fret, mean go up 2 plus 2, be the 10th fret, will be the F note. 10th fret, go up 2, will be the 12th fret, will be the G note. 12th fret, go up 2, will be the A note. And then the B note on the 14th fret, go up 2, be the 16th fret. Now within just a couple minutes, you just learned the natural notes on the E string, the note on the A string, D string, and G string. That's pretty easy, right? So now I'm going to show you one more method. I call this the C-shape method. Go to the first fret on the second string. That's a C note. What you do for this pattern is you go up 2 frets, 1, 2, and up 3 strings. And that's the C-shape pattern. So you already know these notes. It's going to be easy to know the notes on the second string now, because this is the shape. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. And then guess what? Same exact thing on the fourth string and the first string. That's an F note, which you already know because you learned earlier. And that's an F note. G note, A note, B note, C note, D note, E note, F note. Now you just learned all the natural notes on all the strings, and that took you what, a couple minutes. And to find I'll just throw this in there for you just so you have all the notes. But start with the natural notes first. Get all those down first before you do the sharp and flat notes. So if you're on G string, you go up 1, that's a G sharp. You're on a G, you go down 1, that's a G flat. So you G sharp or A flat, A sharp or B flat, C sharp or D flat, D sharp or E flat. And those are the sharp and flat notes. If you want to learn more about guitar, I'll leave another video up here that you can watch and learn some more. Alright, I'll see you in the next one.